Right guys, we're going to do a unboxing and demo of the Tech Deck Fingerboards. I am addicted to these fingerboards for many years. I actually did skateboard on a real skateboard, and once I stopped, these fingerboards is kind of what does it for me now. Anybody that plays with these things knows you get the same feeling landing a trick as you do on a real skateboard. So, you know, skateboard lovers definitely are going to be a big fan of the Tech Deck Fingerboards. To just give you an idea of how much fingerboarding I do, this is just a couple that I could find around the house. After you use them, they actually do get worn out. So you can see the difference here between this worn out one and this brand new one that I just unboxed. So as you do tricks and as you use it, it does get worn. The trucks here as well do get loose. They actually used to sell the Tech Deck with this little tool, a tightening tool that tightens the bolt there, but they no longer include it. So this is basically what you get. I unboxed it. There's just a couple stickers and the skateboard, and of course you get the fingerboard. So try to do a couple tricks now that the pressure's on. Yeah, I'm a big fan of the Tech Decks. They're not that expensive either. You could buy a bunch of them and just you know, use them, and then as they get worn out, you go into the next one. So you could always get the pack that has like 5 or 6 of these in there. I would say if you use this every day, I'd say that maybe you take like a month or two if you use this all the time for the grip on here to wear out before you start using a new Tech Deck. So if you got you know, ADHD, you love to fidget, or you're just you know, a skateboarder like me who loves to skateboard but can't always skateboard, the fingerboard is an amazing fidgeter, toy, whatever you want to call it. I've spent hours mastering tricks on here, and it's a whole lot of fun. I highly recommend the Tech Deck Fingerboards. Thanks guys for watching.